So today's video is about finding the median, mode, and range of a set of data. So let's start with the median. What is the median? The median is the middle value in a set of values. And why do we need the median? It informs us what value is in the middle of our set of data, so we know that half the values are lower than that number and half the values are higher than that number. And how do we find the median? We place all the values in the data set in order from least to greatest and then find the value in the middle. So let's look at this example. The table below shows shoe sizes in a middle school classroom. What is the median shoe size? So using our table, these are a set of shoe sizes. So to find the median, the first step is that we have to place the values in order from least to greatest. So we'll do that here. Once we've placed all the values in order from least to greatest, the second step is to find the value in the middle. And one way that students kind of find the value in the middle is they cross off as they go. So they cross one on this end, one on this end, one on this end, and they keep crossing numbers on either end until they get to the middle. So we'll see here that the middle value is the number 5. So that means the median shoe size is a 5. That means some of the shoes are lower than 5, like half the values are lower than 5, and then the other half are higher than 5. Okay, the next way that we can display and analyze data is by finding what's called the mode. And the mode is the value that appears more frequently than all the other values. Sometimes there's no mode, and sometimes there's more than one mode. So sometimes you have a set of data where all of the values only appear one time, and that would be when there's no mode. And then sometimes there's more than one mode, meaning that there may be some values that appear the same number of times, and that means you would have more than one mode. Why do we need the mode? It informs us if something is more popular than something else. And how do we find the mode? We look for the value in the data set that shows up more often than all the other values. So using the same data table from example 1, what is the mode shoe size? So again, we're looking at this same table, and if you'll notice, the value that shows up more often than all the other values is the number 5. So the most common shoe size is 5, therefore the mode is 5. So what is the range? The range is the difference between the highest and the lowest value in a set of data. Why do we need the range? The range lets us know if our values are all close to the same number or spread out. And how do we find the range? We subtract the lowest value from the highest value. So again, using the same set of data from example 1, what is the range of shoe sizes in that middle school classroom? So again, we're looking at this set of data. So step 1 is to locate the highest and the lowest values. So if we look at our table, the lowest shoe size is a 2, and the highest shoe size is an 8. Our second step is to then find the difference. So we'll subtract 8 minus 2, which gives us 6. That means the range of shoe sizes is 6. So there's a 6 size difference in this classroom, in this middle school classroom. So just keep in mind that in order to analyze a set of data, you can find the median, which is the middle value. You can find the mode, which is the most common value. Or you can find the range, which is the difference from the highest to the lowest value.